tukiretwa na kiumia giki thongi bwega nontu bwako na kanya kugwatana uni kirente tochia weru njuma betagwa ntinyari kenywa jani jamaja tukupanganiretio tukubanarua kirente tochietu
Yara tukuthurania kirente tochia weru urataini mutujwa Lea Premium Fortified Sifted Maize Meal na Lea Premium All Purpose Fortified Wheat Flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Lea Premium, nurturing the world.
PS Migoso Gamba gutumiria mpumi cha KCSE 2025 arari twankurukia magana jari 70 bagwete arama igweta university. Merusko kuandikithia umbani bonde na kiri KCSE ya 2025 arari to 69 bagwete A plane pare na mini score ya 9.97. Skuru ya Kiurani tharakanithi kugwata ya mbere kiri KCSE aritwana arimu bagikenera umbani bobo mwaka muthiru. Antu arume baire mbere South gwekirwa mpena bakiringithana na maiti ja kwenyange na kuraga mwana wa miaka na Disemba mwaka muthiru. Tugeni kairi Purity Richard na mwananiro wetu wa mathithio tukianjiria ntito chetu. Minister wa kithomo Migos Ogamba na atumiretie mpumi cha KCSE ya mwaka muthiru aria aritwa nkuruki ya 900 bageretwe agitumiria mpumi ya rentere Eldoret augite aritwa 270 ni bagwete C+ gwitia ira ni tigiti ya gutonya university nkuruki na tarirete ministry yawe ni bangite bwega kire ukinyaniria bumutaratara ja CBA. Anthony Kathenya na Tareria.
Niyo ni arutwo na jari gwetera mpumi ja kigeranio gia KCSE kwa mweri umwe na nusu. Waziri wa kithomo Julius Migos Ogamba leo ni alekeretie mpumi ja kigeranio giki. Kile mpumino jarutwa 993 na 222 balabe kalile kigeranio giki arutwa 1932 ni baba watite grade ya A arutwa 270 na 715 bakigwataga grade ya C+ gwitia na kwithirwa bakiona twanya twa imwe kwa imwe mpaka university kulingana na mpumino gisunzi kya 63 kiarutwa baba kigwatite grade ya D+ gwitia.
They serve not merely as a measure of learning, but as a compass that guides the nation's future. As the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education KCSE examination draws to a close with the phasing out of the 844 system, we recognize its historic role in shaping generations of learners.
Kulingana na mpumino arutwa 357 na 964 batombete gukinya grade ya D+. Waziri Migos Ogamba akirithiyete arutwa 1,180 na boni boba kwa triba kia kigeranio giki na mpumi jao jambo gutejanirwa.
The results are good and I want to take this opportunity to congratulate the class of 2025 KCSE. The state of competence-based education is strong. We are doing everything under your leadership to ensure that we put competence-based education on track. We know we are in the third last cohort of KCSE, but the future is really bright.
Waziri wa kithomo Migos Ogamba akianira mpumio ino ni ainyiritie thirikari ni thithi na mbere na wandikani bwa arimu 101 wakibwa irathi 23 amwe na thirikari gutigira ni kunenkana bilioni 44 kire maskuru ma mwingi.
In the financial year 2024-2025, we built a record 23,000 classrooms across the country to support the transition of the first grade 9 cohort. For this school year, for instance, we released the sum of 44.2 billion shillings as capitation for learners in all public basic education institutions ahead of school opening.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.
Kugenjaga kiria rito bara bonde baragere to 2025 kiri nteto ingi na ande skuru ya Ndaka ya Meru School niumbanite bunene kiri mpumi cha mwaka muthiru cha KCSE aritwa 59 nibagwete igana rimwe 36 bagwata A- na bo igana rimwe 53 bagwata B+ na da skuru wiri na mean score ya 9.97 kongena ku skuru ya Ndaka ya Kanyakine ri na mean score ya 6 kana ithandatu kuma ithano mwaka ja 2024 kinyanyume akurumirwa ni mateta jagwa timbaru bakithomo ntureneu bakimneneria kwina magwa kithomo mutwikare na riungirite skuru ije
nyuma ya mpumi cha kigero kia KCSE kia mwaka muthiru kurekerwa na Arua imwe cha maskuru aja Meru ni bonanite ukungwira mpumi chiao na aja ni skuru ya Ndaka ya Meru barabari na minisko ya 9.7 na kiaria mwarimu munene ugite kiri aritwa 545 ni banana kebata kinyangirendi ya Guweta University.
Out of these 545, only 8 who will not be going to the university, but definitely they can join the tertiary colleges because the last grade that we had was C-. If we were to compare with last year, we've done a big or great improvement because we have improved from a mean of 9.3 to 9.9, which is a positive deviation of 0.662.
Kire skuru ya Ndaka ya Kanyakine bethira bakiongera minisko yao kumakiri 5.2 munka bakinyi 6.7 Kanyakine ikionania gukira kairi arekirikano mwaka muthiru aturi ni bandamanite muno ni unto bwa skuru eje gwita na mbere kwene kampuni chiao indi thaiji bari na gukenera ni unto ni baikitie Ndaka nkurukie kana rimwe university.
We have received good results, a major improvement, taking quite a number of boys to the university, over 100 to the university, and we want to thank God because my board has been very supportive. Kanyakine as a team of very supportive teachers, very hardworking teachers, and very intelligent teachers. Our students are okay, very disciplined.
Noting that Principal Joe, twena we mieri tamu ijere yake na ombeta gwita skuru awa mitete 5.2 to 6.7 it's not a main achievement, and I'm happy that we have risen na speed area